On Thursday, May the 4th, people from around Wales will be going to the polls for the 2009 European Parliament election. Jill Evans has been a member of the European Parliament for Plaid Cymru for the past 10 years and has campaigned tirelessly on issues such as supporting local food suppliers and farmers markets, securing recognition for the Welsh language, and gaining international support for Plaid's campaign against the electronic tagging of sheep.
As a member of the European Parliament for Plaid Cymru, I'll continue to campaign against the compulsory introduction of electronic sheep tagging. It's unnecessary, it's unworkable and it's expensive. 40% of our farms in Wales are sheep farms and many of them are hill farms. It's completely impractical to have a system like this. It's unnecessary because the system we've got now works perfectly well and it's expensive for farmers and for consumers. So I'll continue to campaign to change this decision.